All right, hello everyone. I'm assuming if you are watching this Discord video, you are wanting to attend our Tuesday classes for 30 minutes. Do remember that I will hold them both at 8 a.m. and 12:30 and then post them both immediately after class is over. I will have my Comp 150 64 section at 8 a.m., so you'll have to crawl out of bed and log on. Or you can come attend the 150 87 section at 12:30, which you can grab your lunch and hop on and have a good conversation with us, okay? So if you're wanting to attend, you'll have to log on to Discord. So if you link here, it will take you to that Discord app, and I'm already logged in, but it will ask you after that to log in or create an account, okay? So you can just use an account, use your CSU email, and create a password, and then you'll be welcome to join, okay? So there's no need to do anything extra other than sign up with your email and a password, okay? So if you want to have your microphone used, you'll have to click on that little button down here and say allow that you would like to use your microphone, and it'll have that cute little noise, and then you will pop up here as online, and so I'll be able to see all of you who are online. You can still attend and not use your microphone. You can still send messages to each other via this text box, okay? But I will use this in order to screen share. So I will start class and I will be able to, I will use the desktop app and I will be able to share my screen with you. So if you go, you will see that I will be able to add a screen share. That way you can see what I'm doing. We'll be able to go over certain assignment documents as well as certain PowerPoints that we can go over together. You can also do this on your smartphone. So there is an app that you can get that will allow it to be on your phone, and you will still be able to hear everyone and add to the conversation or be able to text here and ask questions. Okay. So this is just a quick video on how to get on Discord and how to log on and how to make an account. You can also download the desktop app if that's easiest for you, or download the iPhone app. All right. Well, thank you. And if you made it to the end of this video, let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks, everyone.